Why can't you wait? Why can't you wait, brother? So first, let me remove this so that we can start from the monthly, guys. Monthly. And then with the monthly, guys, you guys see price. Okay, price have been moving in an up direction for months. For months, it was flying. But what we want is the current market price CMB. Okay, so for the CMB, you guys look, we have here, we have something like this. Okay, so it was like here in this section we had resistance and there is support there. So support group, resistance on monthly. This indicates it is really telling us that price is still uptrend. Okay, price is still uptrend. So we have to make that broken level. Okay, you have to know how to make it. Make this line different. Okay. And then we have to switch into weekly. That's the monthly. Okay. Let us go to weekly. So what you see on weekly is, so this is the monthly, and where is pointy A of the weekly? Since we found monthly is still buy, so monthly is buy, is bullish. Okay, so what we want, what weekly is doing. All right, so I want to show you something. So in this price action on the weekly time frame, we have look guys, we have that resistance, which is classical A, and we have this support. Okay, this support. Why? Even this yellow line is a monthly broken SNR, which becomes like resistance broken becomes support. So we always aim support to what? Buy. We aim here to buy. So price is coming from this resistance and it's coming support level, which is below the monthly line. So what I mean is, you guys can see we have a monthly line. We have a monthly line. So when it comes, when we want, for example, resizing or refinement for the monthly level, we go one time frame lower, which will be the weekly time frame, where we see there weekly. So we have to aim or buy from the weekly level, okay, from the weekly level, which is below the monthly, which will be here. So that is the support level of a weekly here. So let us make the support level and then place it with different line, with different color even. So where is our pointy A from the weekly? So that's, we can know what is happening now. So weekly, what you see weekly is, we have here as our pointy A and here as our pointy B. So this indicates weekly has a rejection there and it's moving to here. So this means monthly equals bullish, okay, and weekly equals bearish. So this is happening all in line chart. I'm not explaining the candlesticks. I will show you the candlesticks and how to do it. So we have the weekly bearish, monthly bullish. Let us go what's happening on a day. So where is our pointy A and pointy B of the day? So we know these lines, okay, these lines are for the weekly, and this yellow line is for the monthly. So you have to know what is happening. So we know that weekly still wants to go down, since weekly is still bearish. Okay, so you know weekly still wants to go down. Okay, that's very clear, right? You see, from here till here, price wants to come there. So let us know what is happening in the daily. So we have to identify or determine our point A and point B on the daily. So on a daily, as you guys can see, this big jar, price is rejecting this support. That support right here, we are buying. So where are we going to? We are going to that point. So here is our point A, and here is our point B. So daily is bullish. All right, is bullish. I think you got it, guys. All right. So what I have for you right now is on a higher time frame. This is the top-down analysis. Okay, monthly is bullish. Okay, daily is, let me say weekly. Weekly is bearish. And a daily is bullish. So on Monday, what will we do then? We will look for long buys first. Long setups. Then short setups. Whenever daily reaches its level, okay, whenever price reaches on point B on a daily, then we aim to sell. I don't know if you guys can. This is point A of daily, and this is going to be of daily. So I mean, price is buying daily from here, and then it wants to reach there. Whenever it reaches here, then we can aim to sell on which time frame? Weekly. All right, weekly wants to push down. So this is what's happening right now on the higher time frames. This is top-down analysis. Let us go on the candlestick charts right now. So we can see on a daily, here, we got support level, broke out, then becomes what? Resistance. Price comes back. So what we aim resistance for a sell. All right, and then you have to know, since weekly is confirmed a sell from here, the confirmed sell of a weekly is here. Price will reach below the monthly line here, and then here is where the strong buyers will enter, and the price can even possible to come back at the long-term high. I hope that makes sense, guys. So let me show you some guys like they going through to know the storylines, the storyline SOBs like daily rejected daily, weekly rejected weekly. You can even know even if you really understand the lines, and that will be so easy. So I'm making out point A and point B, so on. So I will show you why daily is buying and confirmation, and then exactly how this setup goes on. Let us switch to candlesticks. All right, and then I'll show you what's happening. All right, always use when you are making MSNR level on the closing point of the support or resistance level. All right. Hamid, mute yourself, please. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Okay, I'm changing the color, guys. Nothing else. So that's the zone where price is buying. All right. So I want to make you understand this candle got rejected on the SNR, this line. So this support is where? The daily, right? And then this rejection is where? Also daily. So that's what we call daily rejected daily. All right? So this SNR is rejecting a daily candle. That's what we call daily support is rejecting a daily candle. That's what we call then daily rejected daily. Okay, so this is one of the SOBs. You have watched most of my videos, guys. When we want to determine or detect the storyline, the first thing first is rejection. Okay, so this is a rejection. So this is SOB number one. What is SOB number two then? When we wanted to confirm the storyline, if we get a rejection, this indicates a new direction. A new direction starts. Okay, new direction starts, but it's not like it is a very strong. We have to confirm the rejection. So we need breakout. We need a breakout. Okay, so when we get a rejection plus breakout, that storyline or direction or order flow is confirmed and price will go in that way. So right now, since weekly is selling and the daily is buying, so daily is the road blocking because it wants to touch an order block and then come back. This is called drop-based drop. So drop-based drop means there is a strong resistance up higher. Okay, up higher. So now, what is the confirmation of this SNR rejected, of daily rejected daily? Because the storyline started and then price is buying on the next day. Which day was the rejection? This day was rejection and this day was confirmation plus the entry. Okay, plus the entry. Let me show you. We have to get SOB number two, which is let us find one time frame lower of the rejection. Where do we get the rejection? We found the rejection at daily, right? Let us go one time frame lower of the daily, which is H4, so that we have to get a breakout. If you guys see, before we have to look for. Some guys ask me, where can we get the breakout? So this is, for example, the support level, which is the daily, right? The price was moving, and then came at the support level, just like this. You see, this green line is the daily, which is the support. Price move it, and then touch it, right? We want this last high to be taken. This last high to be taken as a breakout. Price must break here. So there is the breakout. So if the breakout is far away from the line, from the resistance or support, then that is not a good confirmation. For example, what you see right here, okay, what you see right here, this is the rejection, right? And it's not close to the support level, it's far away. So this kind of breakout, if it happens, it's not good. Do not use such like this, because you are missing wait price, you need this setup, right? You are missing this move. Okay, so since the one time frame lower of H4 breakout is not close, what can I do? Because if we found the 4-hour breakout closer to the zone, to the level, it means we get a confirmed storyline. But if we miss such like this action, what can we do? So we want to buy this market, almost move it 100 plus pips or more than that. So what can I do? I want into this market, and I also don't want to miss a setup. So what you can do is, like, if you miss H4 breakout, then find two time frame lower breakout, which is the H1 breakout. So if I get H4 breakout, that's confirmed storyline. If I get H1 breakout, that's a preferred storyline. It is like if I miss H4, let me find H1. Mood, please, mood. Engineer, engineer, mood. Mood. Okay. So it's like I missed the H4, right? So if I miss H4, let me find another preferred time frame which I can follow to confirm this storyline and enter. So it will be H4. So the probability of H4 breakout and 1 hour breakout when you get the daily reject daily, which one has the highest probability? So if you get H4 breakout, which is one time frame lower, so the risk is very low. But if you get 1 hour, the risk is medium. So let us find right now why price is buying. So we don't have any breakout close to the support level or at H4. We have to find a preferred breakout. So we have to go 1 hour time frame. So if you guys see, whenever price, okay, I'll show you here. Whenever price broke here, price came back. This was the low risky entry of H1 breakout plus setup. Why? Because this is the rejection, right? The last high that was formed before the rejection was here. I can show you in a line chart, okay? In a line chart. Look here. This was the last high. You guys see? Then price will break that last high, and then comes the zone. Then buy. That's it, guys. So this is the H1 breakout. Okay, that's the H1 breakout. And then whenever price comes back to the breakout zone or below, then you buy. That's it. It broke it with what? I told you we have to get momentum. A breakout is defined a candle close above a support or resistance, but it must be broke with a momentum. That's what I mean. For example, this candle is not just like this one's, okay? It's so bigger, right? There is big money. Big money, right? So with this guy, it broke here with the momentum, and the price came back inside or somewhere little bit below the breakout, and then we go by there with low risk entry. All right, so this is preferred storyline. At least it take 150 bips target. But according to what I see from here, price moved more than 150 bips. I think. Let us look. 250. But what about if you take like 150, 150, 200, whatever? So the market closed, you see, guys? So good. 250 bips, guys. Anyway, 250 bips. So if you take 150 bips with a preferred storyline, it's very good. But this guy, look, it moved 250 bips. 250 bips. So this is how you can, guys, find the storylines plus the setups, okay? All right, so this time I will show some other methods, guys. So gold we have to analyze from the monthly till the weekly. So H1 and H4, M30 is only for confirmation and setups. The analyze always happen or take place at the higher time frames, not the lower time frame. If you have some questions, guys, you can unmute before I go to the next topic. From backtesting, I use the gap SNR on H4 rather than the H1 classical. All right, that sounds good because you always use what is working for you, Carol. Braille is only for classic. Yes, it's only for classic. It must be classical A, classical B. That's it. Nowhere else. Boo. Okay. If you guys have question, you can unmute the microphone. You can talk, guys. I can't read more. Please unmute and then talk if you have some questions.
No question. I'm just answering John saying that breakout only for classic because he's using gap SNR. You know.
So the breakout must be on classical, not the gap. Classical A, classical B. So on the other hand, guys, I want to back testing, guys. Why Brass was buying, why Brass was selling, guys, and yeah, with the snatcher technique. So I always use the H4 breakout, or I always use the 1 hour, 30 minute, whatever. Even sometimes I use the daily breakout. So I want to show you some tactics of my technique, guys. Oh, guys, look, I'm not using trading view. This is live data of the MT5. So you guys can see here we have support, right? So there was a support, which is classical V. So support was broken. Okay, support was broken. It becomes what, please? It becomes what? Type. If support is broken, what it will be, please? Then it becomes resistance. So that setup will be, please, it will be, you have to know,
SBR.
Setup SBR. You have to know that. Good. S, support, broken, becomes resistance. So what are we aiming then here? What will we aim? To sell, right? You have to know. Since this becomes resistance, so we have to then make or breakout zone with rectangle, not line. Okay, we have to make or breakout, then switch to candlesticks. Also make the zone with the full of the wick, with the wick. Okay, so so let me show you. Don't worry. I will make here, and then I will show you why I was adjusting that box. Okay, this is the support level. This candle has that wick, right? So that is my breakout box. All right. So after I get the breakout zone or breakout box, what is next is to find the snatcher pattern. Okay, pattern. Snatcher pattern. It's not something new, guys. It's like ABC pattern, like this. A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C. So we have to get it. We have to get like two time frame is lower. Even we can use 3 time frames. Okay, 3 time frames. I will show you, guys. First, when you know your breakout, then change it into lines. Almost every time we have to use the lines. So this area is above the breakout here. This area is above the breakout, so my snatcher zone must be above the breakout there, here. Please smooth. Who's that? Who's that? African giant. Please smooth yourself. Hello? Yeah, okay. So what I want to tell you is like we have to find it 2 time frame lower or 1 time frame lower. This is H1, right? I will go 2 time frame lower, which is like 15 minutes. And where was the breakout, guys? Where was the breakout? Here. All right, you see here. It was here, guys. The breakout was there. You can see the box, right? Still there. So I have to look, okay, patterns like this, patterns like this. And then if it is going down, I will mark here. If it's going up, I will mark here. So let me show you on this time frame. As you guys can see, here, we have one, right? We have one, right? Smaller ones, right? Another one, right? And another one, right? Also another one, right? So we want to use two by placing a horizontal line. So I have this bigger one on at the top there. Okay, and also another one on here. So this zone is the snatcher zone. Okay, snatcher zone. This is cut the entry, then run. Okay, the price will run. Whenever price touches this area after pullback, so it broke here, we wanted the pullback. Whenever price touches here, it will go down. Since this is supported, broken, becomes resistance. So we will sell whenever price touches there. So I will switch into candlesticks and then control this zone at 5 minutes. 5 minutes. All right. Then you will see when price touches here, it started selling. Look. So the full margin here is where Boo was asking. For example, this is the breakout. Look. Okay. This is the breakout. Where breakout took place is here. And then price really move it down and down. Look. It move it down and down, right? Price move it, look here, down and down and down and down, and then it started pushing up, right? Where is it going to? Where is it going to? It's going to where, please? It's going to this Niger zone. All right, the buy. I will tell you why it's buying also. Don't worry. I will tell you why price is buying from here. Don't worry, right? Why price is buying, and then the reason it's touching here. But something you can have full of confidence is when you make your breakout at the snatcher zone, and then price comes the first time. Price comes the first time at the snatcher zone. You are not layering a full margin. Okay, this time you are not layering. You wait the price to break the box. This is the box, breakout box. So this is the first time you can layer a small lot size. It's okay, but it's high risk. Okay, it's high risk. Why? We want to have confirmation for entry. When there is no full of confluence, then there is no full respect, and also we cannot rely on or trust that entry. You wait the price to break the box, this box. When it breaks, you wait again the price to come back and touch the snatcher. Then here is the full margin. What you want is 30 to 50 pips. So from here till here, it's enough. You made double. Okay, double or triple, guys. Of your account. From here till here, that's it. But you have to know, if the snatcher is still holding, you can have more interest. Whenever price touches there, price can come down. Whenever it touches there, if it breaks even, we can flip, but we will take loss. Guys, we will take loss. For example, here, since we entered here, look, we entered the first layer, we took, and the price coming back above the box, touch it It touched where? The snatcher zone, right? And then price push it down. Touch it, push it down. So that was a small move. This indicates we are still in the zone. Whenever 1 minute candle breaks the snatcher levels again, then that setup of the sell failed. So we call this time snatcher failed. Since snatcher failed, you have an opportunity, big opportunity, okay? Big opportunity. Flip your idea. What was your aim? It was sell, right? This time what happened? This time what happened after you were expecting price to sell here? This time what happened? Price closed the snatcher, wait the price to enter the snatcher, buy there. That's called snatcher fail buy. You buy from here and then again 100 pips maximum, 100 pips, or if you are not greedy, 50 pips, 50 pips, okay? If you can go even with 40 pips, 30 pips, whatever you are comfortable with. But you guys can see that this is not fail price push it up. We have to still go with what happening. So at that time, price push it up, and then you guys see here, price start selling. Okay, let me show you why this price was buying. Why this price was buying, okay? I mean, this market. This market, okay? Why it was buying. I will tell you why. Let us go H4 first. And then H4, we don't have any breakout. Okay, find breakout. H1. We don't have even clear breakout. 30 minutes. We have a clear breakout. Okay, I'll show you where our breakout box is. Let me change into lines and then you will see exactly something very good. This time I'm not looking any storylines or, yeah. Okay, let us go into line chart. This is very simple, guys. Line chart. And then, yeah. So make it with the wick and then go back to the candlesticks and then push it up. Okay. So where's my breakout box? So my breakout box is, okay, if you guys can see this candle. This is the closing point and the wick is there. So my breakout box is there. Which time frame? 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. Breakout. So where is my snatcher zone then? I have to go 2 time frames lower, which is what? 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. And then I'm not missing that setup. So price was moving here. Before it came back, you have to do this, okay? Price was there, it broke, and then it was here. Before the price comes back here for this pullback, you must have your zone already here, okay? And then what you will do is go to line chart, and then make what? Or finally what? You have to make a zone with the snatcher patterns. Yeah, something like this, okay? Something like this, I told you already. So we have this one, we have this one small one, another small one, another one here, another small one here, even some ones hiding. Even this is a big one, but I'm not going to make you confused. We will use the clear ones, the obvious ones. So let us go to the lines and then put this one here. And then I will also use this one. So since it's very big, sizing the zone is also very good. You have to refine it. If it is bigger than 30 bips, it's really very bad. But you guys can see this is not 30 bips. Alhamdulillah, it's good. It's not 30 pips, guys. You guys see 26 pips, 260 points. Divide by 10, it's 26, right? So our zone is very small. And then you guys can see price is touching the zone. All right? Price is touching our zone. So this is entry 1, this is entry 2, and then you can layer even when price is here. But this zone is 99% guaranteed plus, 99 plus. It's guaranteed, guys. It's guaranteed, okay? If you really know it, how to make, that's what I mean. And then, you know, that's why price is buying from this.
Why is that 99 guaranteed?
What?
Why is it 99% guaranteed?
Because we know whenever price reacted or comes back to that level, it must give you an entry. Yeah. Only action, price action, not for fundamentals or any other data. Price always reacts there. 99 plus.
Why there? Like, I don't understand why there. Yeah, that's just could be any breakout.
Any breakout must have a pullback. I think you have learned setups all Malaysian SNRs. We use what is called BE. All right. This is the same BBE, but it simplifies making the zone, because you know that most of you have problem with entry, right? You know the storyline, you know everything. You can even, but sometimes you miss entry, right? This technique is showing you where to enter correctly. Are you getting me?
No, I understand. I know the BPE and I know this, but I don't understand why this is 99%. Because sometimes you get a fail one, then obviously it could be a snatcher fail.
My brother, 99 is like price breaks the zone and fails. It does not mean that zone is not still failed. I told you I like to trade when snatcher fails. That is when I have even 100% guaranteed. When I see zone fails, then my setup is guaranteed 100%. Not even 99. Why? Because the zone is telling me that we have changed our direction. So switch your mind. You must be a flexible, and then buy against or sell against your previous decision, which was like you were aiming to sell, then price breaks, the snatcher, then buy. You were aiming for buy, the price breaks the snatcher, then sell. You know that. So easy. If price respects the zone, then that's what you wanted. But if price breaks, then that's also something you have to switch it. Because your first setup got triggered with SL. You took the SL, right? And then changed. It does not mean like you don't have another chance. Price is telling you that's sleeping. That's why I think it makes sense.
It makes sense for me also, because when we are selling to support, that support will at some time will hold and will change to the flip. So because at the beginning there was a breakout, the breakout will probably will be confirmed, and we have to flip finally. So there can be 2-3 entries from the snatcher zone, but finally it must change to the flip rather than going in our direction. That's my point of view.
Yeah, that's true. Hope that makes sense, guys. Okay. Guys, do you remember my last entry of gold for last week? Let me show you. And then go back to where? Let us go in this group, okay? I think this group. and then go.
Hey, Guru.
Yes.
Yes.
And then back.
And then back.
Back here.
Back here. Back here. Back here. Back here. This is all for this week.
I think it was here.
I think it was here.
Yeah, this was. Look, guys.
Yeah, this was.
Alright.
Look, guys. Alright, this is the SRR.
This was the last buy, guys. You see?
Yeah, this was the last buy, guys. You see?
Okay.
This is the last buy. Okay, let me show you. Anyway, let me show you. Let us go 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So the last entry was here, guys. Look. Okay. This buy. You guys remember? I was even in a Zoom. This buy was struggling, but you guys see that this is 60 pips. 60 pips. So how did we enter? How did we enter? Let me show you guys. Change into lines. Sorry, change into lines. Okay. Before the price, guys, push it down. Before this pullback, here was the breakout, because here was resistance. Price broke the resistance up higher, and then the resistance becomes support. So gold does not always buy at the broken level, this resistance level. Since it broke here, it comes and then touches here and then buys. No, it must go down a little bit below the broken level and then find a level here and then buy. So why the zone is so granted? It's so granted because it will tell you the right zone here. For example, price is coming where it will react. So go 2 time frame lower, which is, for example, let me make the breakout first. Mood, horse, please, mood, horse. Mood. Okay. So I will change it into candlesticks. So I want to make the zone. So come on. That is our zone. That's our zone. And then what I will do is I will change into lines and then switch to 5 minutes. Switch to 5 minutes. So where was the breakout, please? Where was the breakout? The breakout was here. Everything is easy, guys. Everything is easy. That was the breakout. So price was returning back to this level where you guys see that here was the level of this one, and then this one, look. Can't you see, guys? Isn't it so clear? So here is where you will buy. So here is where you will buy. But when you make it, this range between this and this, it must be a maximum of 30 bips. Why did I say so? Because this is gold. If your range of entry is bigger than 30 bips, you will have a big drawdown, all right? Drawdown. And that's really not good, because you will lose if price comes against us and then breaks this Snatcher a lot of money. You will lose big money, and that's why you were losing, guys. So now let us make our zone. All right, here, and then here, make the zone, and then calculate it. If it's bigger than 30 pips, be resize one time frame lower. All right, look, it's 30 pips, right? It's enough. It's enough. It must not be bigger than that, okay? That's all. And then guys, I switch to candlesticks. Then you guys can see whenever price touches here, you can layer. Look, whenever it touches here and then closes inside, layer. That's where you see more positions on my chart, right? Multiple positions. Layer.
Yeah, but it's not, you're not following SOP. You have to wait for
What
it
do
to
you
break
mean?
up.
You mean the breakout? This is the first layer. This is the first layer. I'm still at one. I'm still at the 5 minute. This is the first layer. It's not mean like full margin. This is not full margin. Full margin will be when price break the box and then comes back. You have to know this is a layer. You are not missing an entry, right? Price comes back, you layer again. Layer one, layer two. So this time it breaks the box. Then it comes back here. This is called full margin, okay? Why? Because the setup is confirmed. You have to know this is still giving you like, it can give you up to 50 bips. The farthest touch can give you up to 50 bips. This is confirmed. Okay, this is confirmed. But whenever price comes here, I told you 150 bips or 250 bips, because this time setup is confirmed, it will push aggressively. Are you with me, Boo?
Yeah.
Are you getting the point right now?
Yeah. I'm just thinking that, normally I wait for breakout box. If they come back, then enter. But you enter a bit early, like you enter early.
No. Price touches the box, enter it with a medium risk inside the box. When price comes here and it did not close below, that's big opportunity, you buy it. But it does not mean this market will fly high. No. This is the first entry because it does not have any breakout of the box. This time it broke it. Whenever price comes here, then push. This is the best time to enter. I think that makes sense. And you guys remember, we were buying this one.
I did not miss it. Let me show you.
I did not miss it. Let me show you. All right. No, here. Yeah, it's here.
Yeah, it's here. You see, guys?
Yeah, it's here. You see, guys? We got it. We resize in the zone. Make it small. 2383 2381. I make the zone very small at 1 minute, and then you guys see I was targeting only 50 pips. 50 pips of where?
Look 50 pips of this breakout.
Look 50 pips of this breakout. Entry at this zone. Price did not close below the zone. Entered more. I added. You know how much money? And let me tell you, I'm not that big lot size user. I always use small lot size because I'm layering more
so that
I can able to manage the risk if worst comes to worst and the price comes below. I hope that makes sense, guys.
I'm done, guys.
I'm done, guys. I'm done. And then if you have any other questions, come up.
Yeah, guys, come on. Someone was.
Yeah, I have the question about the.
Yeah, guys, come on. Someone was asking
About what?
About what?
About the breaker box. It comes from M30. You said. I don't see it clearly. Can you please repeat it? Because the position of the breaker box is I think the main part of this, because Snatcher zone can be drawn very easily for me, but the position of breaker box is sometimes quite difficult. So we ever after the daily we were going up.
Man. Snatcher technique and daily reject daily, they are different. Why are you mixing it?
No. I was just expecting to buy, but you mark that box for the breaker box on the position. Where can I see it or found it? So I'm not sure why at this position for M30 expect or if there is something different.
Can you share your screen?
Can you share your screen? I'm not really getting. Can you share your screen and show
He
us?
just want to know why you put a breakout box there, because it's easy. Look, you got that breakout there in it. I can't mark it, but this breakout at 2385.
Look, brother, look. Why don't you know support
broken
broken or resistance broken? I am making the zone where price broke. If I change it into line charities, look, what do I have here? What do I have here? Look, what do I have here? Here. This was resistance, right? Price broke the resistance. So this zone is where the breakout happens. Okay. In another zone, look here. This is 1 hour, I think, 1 hour breakout. Look this area.
So in this area,
we have there fee, which is what? Support. Support was broken. So this is the breakout zone.
Are
you getting it now?
All right.
If I go back and show you this breakout, it's
No,
30-minute break.
Okay, I need just the final one, the top one. Why this is the breaker box here? Because it's not going from the left side, but it's in our current market price and going up. And I'm not sure why to market like this. So
this why can't you until you master and backtest the concept, you will not understand. You see, this was a resistance. Price broke the resistance up higher. So this is my breakout zone or box. Price came back into my snatcher zone, and then it buys inside the snatcher zone. That's it. I don't know. It's so simple.
So okay,
Simple.
So first A on the line when we are going up is becomes the resistance for any time frames.
It's resistance. You find support or resistance. First SOB is get breakout on any time frame except the lower time frames. You do not use like lower time frame breakout. You can use M30 breakout, M15 breakout, H1, okay, H4, daily. Yeah, you can find breakouts. So when you get breakout, find what time frame is your snatcher zone.
Okay, I will try to. Thanks. Okay.
That's it.
Okay, thanks.
Carol,
you are in a VAB. I think you have my SOBs. Follow the SOB and backtest on it.
Abdi.
Yeah, go.
Current market. What you seeing?
What do you mean?
The current market now. We done a push up. We bearish daily, bearish weekly. Daily is for me it's
No. Let me tell you. Monthly bullish.
Weekly bear.
Weekly bearish. Daily bullish. That's what That's what happening right now.
So where's your turning point, and what are you expecting for next week?
You mean my point to be?
What are you expecting for next week?
My point to be. That's what you asking for, my brother. Why you not understanding what I mean? For example, price is moving from point to A and it will go to point to B. Go ahead daily.
Okay, go to daily.
Go daily. Okay, let me remove these ones. All right, this information. Oh, let me not do this. Wait. One by one. That would be very good. So you want to understand what's happening on daily? Let me take a screenshot. Okay. And then this is our point to A. This is the support where price is buying on a daily, and this is our point to B, where price is moving to. And this is support broken becomes resistance. So since this is the broken level, price is not reversing from here. It must go somewhere, and look, it's Niger zone here. For how? Sell. And price is coming below this monthly line. That makes sense. So we are from point A, we are moving to point B. Are you getting it? Boo.
Yeah, I got the same mark as you, but I did it on H4. You doing it on daily, so.
No, on H4 we don't have any breakout. Since there is no breakout on H4, we have one out preferred storyline that makes this bullish. You see, this is H4, no clear breakout, no clear breakout here. You see, so price is buying a preferred storyline, which is happening a confirmation of H1. So there is a H1 breakout right here. So this is roadblock, and it's not a real movement. This is not the real movement, okay? The real push or real movement is the bearish, which will follow with the weekly. You see, this is the breakout. And then price comes this area, and then it buys.
Yeah, no. I mean, my H4. I found my H4 breakout zone, and
no, do not use different. You are using different broker anyway. But this is this is just the market. It shows you.
Go zoom out. I'm talking about the breakout zone for the sell.
I'm not going for the sale, my brother. Why are you just switching? Please have your point A and point B. Why are you making so confused?
No,
you are also making.
Okay. You're saying I go to point B, then we start selling, and that's what I'm saying. But you mark on the A daily level. I'm marking H4.
Yeah. That is correct. So the 4 hour breakout, every broker is showing you 4 hour breakout, daily breakout here. This is what you mean.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
The daily is clear. Yeah, the daily is clear. All right. That's also going to be. This is RBS, SBR. So price will aim to sell here.
No, I got the same one, but I'm marked mine on H4. This is what I'm saying. But yeah, because you also got decision level. You also got decision level on there as well.
I will use H4 confirmations or setups or breakouts, whatever it may be, when price comes here. All right. This time I cannot use H4. I'll use when price comes there, and then do it. And one thing, guys, the only way you guys can win here, if your system is working or not, it does not give any meaning or any importance in this market. What works best is risk management. For risk management, you have like percentage to risk per trade 0.24 percentage, or maybe 0.5 percentage, or like 1 percentage. Okay, per trade. Okay, per trade. Per trade. So what I want to tell you is like, you have 500 account, right? 500 US dollar, USD.
So for that
So for that 500
USD,
USD, divide it into 5
guys.
accounts, guys.
If you can do it,
If you can do it, 5 accounts, guys. 5 accounts.
Okay, or maybe
Okay, or maybe 3 accounts minimum. But if you deposit the 500 in one account, and then trying to flip this in 1 trade or 2 trade by using this technique, you can blow it when your snatcher fails. So what you can do is like 1 account and 1 account and 1 account. Then you can do it even some offset trades. 1 account for buy, 1 account for sell. Whenever you get the sell, use this account. Whenever you get, use this account. Or also find a daily percentage with each account. Yeah, you can make your own plan, but what I do is like, I have 3 accounts. I told you all the time, 3 accounts. 3 accounts. Big one, medium one, and a small one. I always use risk management for my entries. That's it, guys. If you have any other question, come up. Yeah, this time I will go mute, guys. I have done my analysis, but I was just interested to open a Zoom and share my idea with you, and then you guys can see this is my idea. If you have any questions come up, you can ask. And yeah, this time I will go mute myself, and then I will give you the screen share. Every one of you who wants to share his idea, come up and welcome. If you have any questions, come up also in my team, also in a meeting chat. This Zoom will be opening until you say close it. Welcome.
Thank you very much. So I will try to share the screen and check the breakout box with you. Can I?
You can do whatever.
This time you can do whatever.
Okay, I'm trying to share the screen, but it's telling me that the other screen is sharing, so I can start. Yeah, now it's working.
I close it. My screen.
Okay. So